Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus about number 1. Because I want to create about identity in here. So that should be about s plus 1 to the power of 2. Negative number 1, negative number 15, we have negative 16. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 1 equal to number 4 secant of t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have 16 secant of t squared. Number 16, we can do about factorization. Secant of t squared minus 1, we change tan t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. In here, we still have s, so we put number 1 on the right. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the s equal to 4 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one go in here. About s, we change by this one. The s, we change by this one. Now this one, we will have about 16 secant of t squared. Number 16, we can do about factorization. This one we change tan t squared. The square root with the power 3, 16 tan t squared, we will have about 64 tan t to the power of 3. We simplify. Number 4 with 64, we will have about 1 over 16. And now secant of t multiplied by secant of t and number 1. Now we need to separate this one into two fractions. The first one, we have the integral 4 secant of t squared over tan t squared dt minus 1 over 16, and we have the integral. Because we have the negative, that's why we have the negative sign here. Secant of t over tan t squared dt. Now I will concentrate about this one. So I put number 4 outside too. So this one we will have about 1 over 4. About this one, I can put into tan t squared plus 1. So tan t squared divided by tan t squared, number 1 divided by tan t squared, we will have about 1 plus cotan t squared. About cotan t squared, we can change into cosecant of t squared minus 1. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. And the integration of this one in here, we will have about negative cotan t, and we put about c. Now we go to this one. we change secant of t into 1 over cosine t. Similar for this one. We simplify cosine t. And now, this one we can write into cosine t over sine t squared. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to sine t dz equals to cosine t dt. So this one we change by z square. Cosine t dt we change by dz. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over z and we put about c. About z, that's about sine t. Now we return back to this one. So this one that is about this one. And this one that is about this one. Negative with negative we have positive. And now about t, we need to go back in here. So we divide both sides by number 4. And we put about t equal to arcsecant of this one. So I will put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.